At AP Lazer, we provide the most unique laser machine on the market. We are a people-centric company, and our mission is to build a priceless relationship with you and your business, and to meet the emotional needs of all walks of life. We provide laser machines to educators, business owners, entrepreneurs, creative professionals, and more. With our exclusive design, you can diversify into personalized objects, large or small. The possibilities are limitless. AP Lazer is the perfect tool for business owners looking to expand and diversify their current offerings. With our laser machines, you can create new levels of emotional personalization and open the doors to a priceless market. We believe it's important for educators to get the right technology into the hands of students. Technology that facilitates hands-on learning and real-world problem-solving skills that allows students to thrive in a changing work environment. All this while providing fundraising opportunities for your students and your school. Students can use the laser to bring any idea to life. When students are emotionally connected with education, their engagement skyrockets. AP Lazer comes equipped with a removable Z-table. Our patented open architecture allows large objects to be personalized in groundbreaking ways across a wide range of markets, from personalized furniture to customized doors. Our customers are like family to us. Not only are you investing in a laser machine, but a lifelong business partnership. Have confidence with AP Lazer's personalized training, 24/7 technical support, and engaging online community. We guide you from conception to reality. We have built priceless relationships with memory care providers across the United States and beyond. You will find providing high-quality, personalized caskets, urns, and memorials to be a cornerstone in helping families begin to heal. You will discover emotionalizing products is contagious. When products are personally engraved, they become something more, intangible, infused with deep personal meaning. We believe it's priceless. Together, we make the world a more precious place to live.